Overview of the editor. In this video, you'll learn how we've organized our user interface and how to use it to navigate your project efficiently. The project editor interface is structured into four main areas. The top bar for navigating the project, its views and editing modes. The input panel on the left where analytical information is entered. The central window for viewing the project and editing its geometry. The data panel on the right for viewing real-time project metrics. The last three sections change their content depending on the level and editing mode you're in. For example, if you're at the housing unit level in auto mode, the central window will display the floor plan of the unit. The input panel will offer various design options for configuring the unit, and the data panel will show the surface area table, metrics for that unit, and the total budget. However, if you're at the floor level or site level, the content will be entirely different. The top bar is the only element of the interface whose available options always remain the same. Regardless of the view mode or project level, the same elements are always located there. We encourage you to continue watching the next video to learn more about our platform.